recently moved. I've got a bunch of boxes upstairs. So the main level looks really good, but I'm hiding my secrets in the closets. Literally. I will tell you, when I was moving, things just didn't get thrown everywhere. Like there was like, I had things already put together. So this stuff went in this bin. This stuff went in that bin. This stuff went. So now when I moved into this house and everything is upstairs, without even thinking, if I needed something, I literally, if I turned off my conscious brain, could go into the bin and find it, which was very different from when I moved to Germany years ago and like I couldn't find stuff. So I just want to tell you that this has really been an incredible move for me, because all the skills that I had on board after these couple of years, and after going through the divorce and the move would have been stressful. But in the past, when I didn't have these skills, being able to decide what goes, what stays would have been monumental, like climb for me. And it wasn't. It was just something. It was actually the easiest thing I did. I want to thank you for that, PM, and thank you all for listening. And then, I feel really good about going upstairs now and getting to those boxes and moving them where they go. It's just putting them into the drawers now.